Auto INSGHT welcomes you to another deep dive into the world of ultra-luxury and extreme performance automobiles, where we bring you clear specs, bold design insights and real-world relevance. And today we are taking a closer look at the 2026 Ferrari Mansory Purosangue SF90, a high-performance masterpiece that blends Ferrari engineering with Mansory's aggressive customization and supercar-inspired DNA, making it one of the most exclusive and powerful luxury performance SUVs ever created. The 2026 Ferrari Mansory Purosangue SF90 stands out immediately with its dramatic exterior transformation, where Mansory pushes the already striking Purosangue design into a more aggressive and motorsport-inspired direction, taking cues from Ferrari's SF90 performance philosophy. The body features extensive carbon fiber upgrades, including a redesigned front splitter, sculpted hood, aggressive side skirts, flared wheel arches and a bold rear diffuser paired with a performance exhaust system. The aerodynamic enhancements are not just visual but also improve high-speed stability and airflow efficiency. Massive forged lightweight wheels and low-profile performance tires give it an unmistakable road presence. Under the hood, this Mansory-tuned Purosangue delivers astonishing performance, powered by Ferrari's naturally aspirated V12 or a heavily enhanced hybrid-inspired performance setup influenced by SF90 engineering. Mansory tuning pushes output beyond standard figures, delivering well over 750 horsepower with razor-sharp throttle response, advanced engine mapping and a louder, more aggressive exhaust note. Acceleration is supercar quick with 0 to 100 times expected in under 3 seconds, while all-wheel drive ensures maximum traction across all driving conditions. The adaptive suspension system is reworked for both comfort and track-level handling, offering multiple drive modes for city cruising, spirited driving and performance-focused runs. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Ferrari Mansory Purosangue SF90 offers a fully bespoke luxury experience. Premium leather, Alcantara carbon fiber trims and custom stitching dominate the interior. Every detail from the steering wheel to the seats can be personalized with Mansory branding. Digital displays provide performance data, navigation and vehicle settings, while Ferrari's advanced infotainment system ensures seamless connectivity. Driver-focused ergonomics combined with rear seat comfort make it both a performance machine and a luxury grand tourer. Safety and technology are equally advanced, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane assist, collision warning, night vision and advanced braking systems tuned for high-performance driving. Carbon ceramic brakes provide exceptional stopping power, while advanced traction and stability systems maintain control at extreme speeds. Despite its performance focus, the Purosangue SF90 still delivers everyday usability with ample cabin space, intelligent climate control and premium sound systems. The 2026 Ferrari Mansory Purosangue SF90 is not just a vehicle, it is a statement of exclusivity, performance and design innovation, combining Ferrari's racing heritage with Mansory's bold craftsmanship, creating an SUV that redefines what high-performance luxury means in a modern era. If you enjoy detailed reviews of rare luxury cars, supercars and future-ready automobiles, make sure to subscribe to Auto INSGHT and stay connected for more exciting automotive content coming your way.